What I'm gonna show you now is how to change the backdrop. What is backdrop? Well, it's basically where the scenes are taking place, right? So for this you have several options. As you can see right now, I'm still working on the second robot that I have right here. If I click on the first one, I will go to the other instructions. If I click on this one, I will go to the other instructions, right? How do I know that I'm in which robot I am working? Well, I have the same robot, the same icon right here, all right? So the backdrops. As you can see right here, I have the backdrops. So I have the same choices that I have for the sprite, which is to look for a backdrop, to paint it, to choose a random backdrop, and to upload a backdrop, right? So I'm gonna choose a backdrop, and I don't know, let's say that I want to use this one, okay, the forest. So as you can see right now, I'm still in the first robot, right? It's right here. So what I have to do is I will choose the backdrop by clicking on it right here, and there is nothing here, right? So I will remove the other backdrop, the one that didn't have anything, the one that we had before. So how do I do that? Well, I have to go to backdrops. Please remember that I have to click on the backdrop right here, okay? I'm clicking right here, all right? And then I click on backdrops, right? As you can see, I have the blank backdrop. It doesn't have anything. And I have this one, all right? So this is the first step. I need to remove it, okay? Now, what I will do is to do exactly, well, kind of a similar thing to what I did with the other one. So I will do, when I click on the green flag, that means when I start my animation, I will go to this backdrop, alright? So I will choose this one, switch backdrop to forest, alright? So as you can see right now, I will do this.
Hello, this is the beginning of my story.
Hi, Mr. Robot. How are you doing?
Right, there you are. So after this, let's say that after hi Mr. Robot, how are you doing? I want to go to a different backdrop. How do I do that? Well, I do the same thing. I have to choose broadcast. So I will broadcast, in this case it's gonna be backdrop, change one, okay? And I will go to the backdrop right here, and I need to add another one, right? Because I only have one right now. So what I will do is I will choose a different backdrop, and I will choose, for instance, this one, right? So now what I do next is when you receive the backdrop change, this one, backdrop change one, I will go to the other backdrop, to Canyon. Okay, so as you can see right now, when I start my program, when I start my animation, this is gonna go to the forest, and when everything finishes, when this robot says, hi Mr. Robot, how are you doing? I'm gonna go to Canyon. Okay, so this is basically what it's doing, okay? So I'm gonna show you.
Hello, this is the beginning of my story.
Hi, Mr. Robot. How are you doing?
There you are, alright?